Question 1. The fashion designer created stunning outfits. Elegant evening gowns, casual summer dresses, tailored business suits, and trendy streetwear. Question 2. Which route should we take to avoid the traffic jam? 1. Did the taxi driver while studying the GPS navigation system? Question 3. The international conference attracted delegates from many countries. Business leaders, government officials, academic researchers, and environmental activists. Question 4. During the cooking competition, chefs prepared appetizers, created main courses, and designed elaborate desserts for the judges. Question 5. I believe the project will succeed, announced the team leader confidently, if everyone contributes their best efforts. Question 6. The digital marketing agency offers comprehensive services: website design, social media management, content creation, and search engine optimization. Question 7. While organizing the charity event, volunteers decorated the venue, prepared donation tables, and coordinated with local sponsors. Question 8. How long will the renovation project take to complete? Ask the homeowner during the construction planning meeting. Question 9. The transportation hub connects multiple systems: buses, trains, subway lines, and bicycle sharing stations for commuters. Question 10. After finishing the intense workout, athletes cooled down, stretched their muscles, and rehydrated with sports drinks. Question 11. Where can we find the best local restaurants? Inquired the tourists while exploring the historic downtown district. Question 12. The film production company creates various content: documentaries, feature films, television series, and educational videos. Question 13. I think we should postpone the meeting, suggested the manager thoughtfully, until everyone can attend in person. Question 14. The research laboratory conducts important studies, medical trials, pharmaceutical testing, genetic analysis, and disease prevention research. Question 15. Before launching the new products, the marketing team conducted surveys, analyzed consumer feedback, and developed advertising strategies. Question 16. Why did the computer system crash unexpectedly? Questioned the IT specialist while examining the error logs. Question 17. The environmental organization promotes sustainable practices, recycling programs, renewable energy initiatives, conservation projects, and educational campaigns. Question 18. During the emergency response, paramedics assessed injuries, transported patients, and coordinated with hospital staff efficiently. Question 19. Could you recommend a reliable internet service provider? Ask the new resident while setting up utilities for the apartment. Question 20. The automotive factory manufactures different vehicles: compact cars, luxury sedans, sports cars, and electric vehicles for global markets. Question 21. Please submit your reports on time, instructed the supervisor, so we can meet the quarterly deadline. Question 22. The Wellness Center provides holistic treatments, massage therapy, acupuncture sessions, meditation classes, and nutritional counseling. Question 23. While planning the wedding ceremony, couples selected venues, chose catering options, and coordinated with professional photographers. Question 24. What strategies will help us increase sales revenue? Brainstormed the business development team during their quarterly planning session. Question 25. The technology startup develops innovative applications, mobile games, productivity tools, social media platforms, and educational software.